Manual grinder for fast manual deburring, edge rounding, and a brushing of metal. The side frame can move up and down. Normally, the side frame is closed to keep safety. For big parts, the down movement can be finished by manual. Abrasive medium for many different applications. Fixed bracket. Double switch foot switch operation is more convenient. (180-degree rotating shaft for easy and rapid switching from grinding pad to brush. Brush for deburring, edge rounding or polishing. Vacuum adsorption table with high friction. Large space to collect grinding dust. Manual grinder will be delivered with starter. Optional with different pads and deburring discs. Easy change of grinding pad. Easy change of deburring disc.